When someone looks at your resume, you have only a few seconds to grab their attention. So let's build a resume that actually gets noticed. We'll keep this simple, clear, and step by step. First, your header. At the top, put your name in a slightly larger font, then your phone number, email, city, and a link to something professional, like LinkedIn or a portfolio. Skip full home address and avoid casual emails like partyguy99. Keep it clean and professional. Next, your summary. Think of this as a 2 or 3 sentence elevator pitch. Who are you? What do you do? And what value do you bring? For example, detail-oriented marketing specialist with 3 years of experience growing social media audiences and improving campaign performance. Skilled in content creation, analytics, and copywriting. Looking to help brands turn data into growth. Short, clear, and focused. Now, work experience. This is the core of your resume. List your jobs in reverse order, from most recent to oldest. Under each job, use 3 to 5 bullet-style points. Start each point with a strong action verb like led, created, improved, or managed. Whenever you can, add numbers. Instead of responsible for social media, say, increased Instagram engagement by 40% in 6 months by testing new content formats. Numbers help your resume stand out because they show real impact. Then, your skills section. Include hard skills that match the job description. Things like Excel, Python, project management, customer support platforms, or design tools. Avoid long lists of vague skills like team player or hard worker. Keep it targeted. Education comes next. List your degree, school, and graduation year. If you're a recent grad, you can add relevant courses, projects, or honors. If you've been working for a while, keep this section short. After that, add any extras that support your story. Certifications, languages, volunteer work, awards, or personal projects. These show initiative and personality, especially if you're early in your career. Finally, tailor your resume for each job. Use the same keywords the job posting uses. If they say customer success, use that term instead of customer support when it fits. And if you want to turn scripts like this into your own animated explainer videos, check out vidfactory.ai. You can create clean, educational videos like this quickly and easily without needing to be a designer. Go to vidfactory.ai and start bringing your ideas to life.